Good morning, everybody. Just a really quick update. Just want to update you on the garden. It's really all I have time for right now. Gonna start my day. I just want to show you how we're doing. I've gotten about 2 pounds of green beans out of my green beans so far. My zucchini is doing really good. I've got some really good zucchini coming out. My Mexican squash, there you go. There's a couple big ones in here. There's another one over there growing. There's one right there. My crookneck is having a bit of a problem. It's got all of these on here, and then they're falling off. So we've got some right here. Oops, where are they? There's some good ones in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. My phone moved. Yeah, so I've got crooknecks, and they're getting like an inch long and then falling off, or I'm taking them off, so that good ones can grow. And so far, it's not working real good. I know they're not getting enough sun, so I'm going to cut back some of these leaves because these right here, there's a couple in there, but that one's not going to do good either. Got some really good flowers. I'll taste one this morning. I love the flowers. I have to pull weeds. Got my spinach in here that's bolting, my basil that's bolting. I have some eggplants that are forming. I also have peppers. I have an Anaheim pepper. I think actually 2 of them. Let's see, there's one right there. And then there is one right there. And then tons and tons of green beans. I've already picked, like I said. And with green beans, the more you pick, the more you get. So you pick them, and then you see those little ones, and they start coming out. So yeah, all of my green beans are like this. All of my plants. And they have green beans all over them. I just picked yesterday. The ones on the end over there are Italian green beans. So here is one of my tomato plants. I have to get cages and put these in here. Got another big tomato plant. This is my cucumber. This is doing really, really well. This is my first cucumber plant, I think, that is doing so well because I put it by the pipe that my husband made, so it is constantly root watered. And it's doing so good. I always have a problem with these because they're just not, they love water, and you just can't keep them hydrated enough. But this one looks amazing. So, and there's cucumbers all over it. I'll have to show you guys later, but there's one right there. There is a big one on here, but I don't have time to show you guys. Then my tomatoes, now that's the black cherry tomato that's half the size of me right now. And then we have some yellow tomatoes down here. And there's 3 of them. Actually, I could probably, we'll let it sit. But there's 3 of them right there. We've already picked some. The kids were over this weekend, and they picked a bunch of tomatoes. They were eating all the tomatoes. That's the black cherry, and half the size of me. So, getting really big. And then the radishes over here are doing really good. My Thai basil. I'm not sure what happened to my dill. I don't even know where it is at the moment. Yeah, so this planter didn't work. My oregano dried up. I'm not sure what happened. Gonna try it again. Get something else. I hadn't watered it maybe for 1 day. That's all I missed. So I gotta figure that out. Got tomatoes here, another tomato there. Snails ate that little zucchini plant. That's it. We have a beautiful day, and I'm about to start my day. Have a great day, everybody. Okay, see you later. Oh, and that giveaway, we're going to do it really, really soon. We've reached 4,500. Thank you guys all for watching and subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and you can be a part of the giveaway too. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye. Have a great day.